buddy. The noises are nuts. Just two motors absolutely ripping. Here we go. Here we go. We got the little booster car. Oh, it looks gnarly on those tires. No way, it's doing so good. Oh my god, it's nasty.
Barely giving it any throttle right there in the
Oh,
donut.
yeah,
like you
spinning
can
it.
tell it's got so much more power.
So much. Well, right there, she got on the chip a little bit. That was
You
fun.
got a little sporty there.
Jeez.